Hi Harry, that's me, Albus Percival Wulfric Brian Dumbledore Soul. You are now thinking why I called you here? Divide the playing cards into two parts which is in front of you.
Sì. Możemy?
Look in the mirror. You will only see your reflection in playing cards, nothing extraordinary. And you know that the mirror has its dark side. It shows the most devoted and the most desperate desire of our heart. But the mirror neither gives us knowledge nor tells the truth. People have lost so much time standing in front of the mirror, wondering at what they saw as real or at least possible. Now take a playing card and remember it. The mirror will show your card.
Okay.
Let's see. I see something, but I'm not sure. Raise the mirror a little. A little to the right. Yeah, everything is clear. Can you please pause the music? I need you all to be quiet. You are thinking about the 10 of hearts.
Nie, on co skacał?
I'm sorry, Harry, but I can't stay in the world of muggles for a long time.
Chyba tak dała. Wow. Gadanek.